Hey guys, and welcome back to Bake with Shivesh. So today I woke up dreaming of something chocolatey and delicious, and I didn't have any eggs in my pantry. So I decided to call my friend Pooja up and ask her what I can make from her book Can't Believe It's Eggless. And this is what she had to say.
So you can actually try the thumbs up cake, but what is really good and really simple is the naked chocolate cake.
Alright, so we have the answer. We're making a naked chocolate cake. It's eggless and I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Let's get started. All my ingredients are ready. Let's get started. I'll start by sifting my dry ingredients. I have maida here, all-purpose flour. In goes the cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder. Once all the ingredients are in, I'm just gonna sift everything. I think for eggless cake especially, it's always a good idea to sift your dry ingredients so that you're able to incorporate more air into your batter. Once this is done, we'll keep this aside and start working on our wet ingredients. I have butter here in a bowl. This is regular salted butter which is softened, and to this I'll add caster sugar. And then using a whisk, I'll cream the butter and sugar together, which means that I'll mix it really well. This is extremely important because this is when you incorporate a lot of air into your batter. I'll mix it until the butter and sugar mixture looks light and fluffy. And in goes the milk. Again, the milk needs to be at room temperature. If you add cold milk at this stage, it'll probably solidify the butter, which would make it extremely difficult for you to mix everything together and achieve this smooth mixture. This looks good. I'll add the dry mix to this and then just use my spatula to gently fold it in. Remember, the batter would become slightly thick at this stage, but we still have the yogurt going in, which would take care of the consistency of the batter later. Time to add in that yogurt. I'm using regular homemade curd, and using a spatula I'll mix it in. Whenever you're in the final stages of mixing your cake batter, never overmix it, because doing that would end up knocking out all the air that we've incorporated so far, and that is what results in a dense and heavy cake. Since we don't want that and we're looking for a fluffy chocolate cake, we're gonna mix it only until the batter is smooth and there are no large lumps in it. My batter looks good. I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and now I'll transfer my batter into this 6-inch pan that I've lined with parchment paper. This is ready for the oven. I'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. My cake is ready, and once it's cooled completely, I'll decorate it with chocolate ganache and some sprinkles. I absolutely loved making and eating this cake, and you know what my first reaction was? I can't believe it's eggless. If you're wondering where you can get your copy, you can order it on the left. I'll actually let Pooja answer this question for you.
So the book is available on our website shop.lure15.com. It's at a 40% discount all of this month and next month, and yeah, we'll start delivering once the lockdown is over, but you can buy and reserve your copy now.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep coming back to you guys with new recipes, so please stay tuned, and until then, happy baking.